And three teams were outright winners, while the spoils were shared in the high school boys category at the 10th annual Sergeant Jacob Thompson Rugby Sevens competition held recently at the Jose Marte High School in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. Here's Denise Walters with that story.
BB Cook High School girls were in imperious form, thrashing Jonathan Grant to 33-5 in the final to be crowned the champions.
So this is our third year winning this competition. 3 years ago, we would have started playing here for the Jacob Thompson, and our girls was our first victor. Our boys would have finished in the semi-final and in the third place competition, but for our girls, they have been dominant over the past 3 years, and I'm happy that they would have retained the title.
I don't think anything went wrong. We tried our best, and we haven't beat BB Cook before, and I think we did our best today.
BB Cook's Zoe Williams was the MVP of the competition.
Actually, I'm very surprised because it was a tough game, and I wasn't really expecting to be like the MVP, but I was really glad for it.
However, among the high school boys, Norman Manley and Jose Marte Technical shared the first place honours due to lack of lighting. Meanwhile, Cavaliers, the senior, are the men's club champions after thrashing Stinger 20-0. St. Albans Primary and Infant School retained their title, with the Tarrant Primary finishing as runners-up in the primary school division.
We are entering over 20 years now, and this is the second champion we are taking home now. Last year we are the champion, and this year we come back and be the champion again.
I think my children are more not disciplined enough. DuPont Primary have taken the crown for me, and then last year St. Alban come back again, come beat me this year again.
Conroy O'Malley is chairman of the organising committee.
Rugby in Jamaica has been on the decrease, but today I'm pleased to say we have a good turnout. A lot of schools put in more than one team. So while we did not get an increase in number of schools and parts and clubs, but the total amount of players was also encouraging.
The Jacob Thompson Sevens competition is held annually to honour the man who helped to introduce rugby at the high school level in Jamaica. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.